वेलकम टू स्मार्ट स्टडी ऐसे ऑन इंटरनेट। दोस्तों, इसी तरह की वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। इंटरनेट इज़ अ नेटवर्क ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स that have been connected to each other through satellite, telephone line, and optical cables. Basically, Internet is a global electronic community for millions of interconnected computer networks. Today, everyone is connected through the Internet, and Internet is need of everyone. Today's modern life cannot be imagined without Internet. Doctors, businessmen, homemakers, servicemen, students, etc. Everybody needs Internet. Today, we can get any information on any topic in a matter of seconds. It helps to gather information from storage areas of the servers called websites. We can now talk to people, see the videos, listen to lectures, read the day's newspapers, transact business, place orders, etc. without going anywhere. Internet provides the latest information on various topics, example education, sports, entertainment, science, medicine, general knowledge, etc. Search engine like Google, Bing, and Yahoo help us in assessing to collect the information easily. Internet has improved our communication system. It provides an easy mode of communications known as email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Today we can send letters, mails, videos to anyone through computer or mobile very easily in any part of the world. It enables us to stay in touch with people very easily and quickly. Its educative and entertainment value is also very great. Internet has also widened business opportunities. You can advertise your goods and products in the internet as well as seek jobs, place orders, meet with magnates, attend international business conference, deal with stock market, buy and exchange currencies, transact bank business, working from home, etc. And this is known as electronic commerce or e-commerce. Although internet immensely helps men in day-to-day transaction, it also has some disadvantages also. Today, thousands of youth are getting hooked to the internet, watching things which are not meant for them. Children get addicted to the mobile, computer, gadgets through internet because of surfing and playing various games, and this leads them to early age wearing spectacles. Cybercrimes like hacking, scamming, electronic crimes, illegal piracy, creating new types of computer virus, etc. have become quite common nowadays. Conclusion: Internet proves to be very useful tool and made our life easy, pleasurable, luxurious and comfortable. Internet has made communication easily and leads today's generation in the cyber age. As we see the disadvantages of the internet, but the number of advantages outweighs the disadvantages. With the proper use of internet in legal way, we can get immense benefit of it. It is high time that its wrong use and negative impact be minimized. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके पास में दिए गए बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कीजिए। धन्यवाद।